need to point out one of the underappreciated hazards of working on old saws and stuff that have been stored outside. Who knows what that is? Yeah, stink bug. And it looks dead, but it is not, because I saw its legs moving. So I'm going to try and dump him into that little soapy water cup. That'll kill him. This is going to suck one-handed. Where are you? There you go. Get in there. Oh, no. Missed. That's all right. It's halfway there. That spritz on me. There you go. He looks dead, but he's just stunned. I saw his legs moving. And one just fell off. Maybe that's why it was moving. Well, I think I just killed a dead one. Can't be too safe, because I've already found 4 others in here, and 2 of them were alive, and one of them sprayed me. So I don't take any chances, even on that little guy. Thanks for watching. Be of good cheer. Kill all the stink bugs.